Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable Win32 Long Paths on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So basically, by default, Windows won't let you access a path that is longer than 260 characters. And this would be accompanied by a message that would say that the file names would be too long for the destination folder. So if you wanted to extend that, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is start by opening up the search menu. Type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best match should come back with Registry Editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, all you have to do is select File and then Export. File name, I'd recommend naming it the dates in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And once you've done that, and if you ever need to import it back in, all you have to do is select File and then Import and navigate to the file location. So pretty straightforward, and now we are ready to begin. So we are going to start off by double clicking on the HKey local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the system folder. Same thing for current control set. Double click on the control folder right underneath. And then there should be a file system folder. Go ahead and just left click on that. If you need to take note of our file path, it's up at the top of the screen here. Each backslash is a different subfolder we've gone under up to this point. And now on the right side, you want to locate something that says Long Paths Enabled, right here up at the top. Go ahead and double click on it. Where it says the value data, you want to go ahead and change the value data from a 0, which is default, to 1. So by turning it to 1, we're going to be allowing you to save longer file paths. So again, set it to 1, and then select OK. And then once you're done with that, you should be good to go. If you ever wanted to undo it, you just would double click on it and set it to 0, which would revert it back to default. Once you're done with that, you will need to go ahead and restart your device in order for the change to take effect. So let's go ahead and restart our computer now. So there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.